Hi, this is Neil Good from the Good Law Group, and today I'm going to be talking about notice of awards. Most people receive a notice of award after they win their Social Security case. I want to warn you that there are many errors in notice of award. So what I'm going to talk about as much as anything is there are a lot of parts to it. So I'm not going to go through all the parts, but I'm going to talk about the parts that I think are important and the parts where there are errors that I see most frequently. So the first thing they do that really is not right is if you are over age 62 and you've been denied benefits, my clients have been receiving notice of awards and they're starting to pay them their Social Security retirement, and they say that's in a notice of award. Well, technically, you're automatically entitled to Social Security retirement if you're over 62, and you have to apply for it. So calling it an award in a notice of award isn't accurate, and the other problem is it misleads people into believing they've been awarded benefits and won their Social Security case. So a couple times this has happened, and the clients have called and said they won, they got the Social Security retirement, and we've had to make them return the retirement so that they can keep going on with their disability case for the full amount. The next area that I think is important, and is typically right at the beginning, is there's a section that says what we will pay you and when. And that lists the date that they're going to start paying you and how much your retroactive pay is going to be. So you need to look at that and make sure that that calculation is accurate. I've seen them do stuff like they say that you're going to get 2 years of back pay, but you're going to get $0. So if you're going to get 2 years of back pay and $0, obviously that's a mistake, but you need to look at those calculations. Another area that they sometimes make errors on is the representative fee. So very often people have a contingent fee agreement, and that says they're going to pay the lawyer 25%, not the contingent fee amount. Or else sometimes they leave that off and they forget to pay the lawyer. So if that happens, you're still going to owe the lawyer money. And if they make that mistake and send you all the lawyer's money, then eventually they're going to stop your payments to collect the lawyer's money back. Another area that they make that is very problematic for my clients is there's a section in there about Medicare. And you get Medicare 29 months after they find you disabled. So let's just say they find you disabled 3 years ago. So that would be 36 months. And then you're entitled to Medicare starting the 30th month. They're going to collect the additional 6 months of Medicare from you retroactively, even if you don't want it. So I've had this happen where it's cost people thousands of dollars if I win their case and they're found disabled 6 or 7 years ago, and then they collect 5 years of Medicare payments, and the people didn't want them to get them. So when you look at the Medicare section, if it looks wrong, you need to call them and tell them you don't want to get your Medicare started until this month, the month you receive the notice of award. There's another section that's called Things to Remember in the Future, and that relates to continuing disability reviews. So at the end of most decisions now, the judge writes how long it'll be till they review the case. So let's say it says 36 months. Well, then you should know in 36 months they're going to review your case, and they're going to review your case by contacting you, asking you what doctors you're seeing and what your condition is. If you stop seeing doctors, they're pretty much going to presume that you're better and go on to stopping your benefits and possibly holding a hearing. So it's important to get out of this video that you got to keep going to the doctor after you've won your case. There are many other sections, but I think those are the ones where the most problems are. But you need to look at this pretty carefully to see if there are errors. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at the information provided below. Have a nice day.